Second question. Rosie, Radhi and Rani are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses equally. Radhi retired. Here in this problem, Radhi is going to retire from the partnership firm on 1/1/2018. On that date, their balance sheet showed accumulated loss of rupees 45,000. So it is loss, okay, accumulated loss rupees 45,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. I give the journal entry to distribute the accumulated loss. In this problem, there is accumulated loss is given, which means their balance sheet shows asset sides profit and loss account, which means it denotes if you have profit and loss account on asset side, which means it is loss, accumulated loss. Now it should be distributed to all the partners. If it is on the liability side, which means profit, this profit should be distributed to among all the partners, as well as loss should be distributed to all the partners. So if it is under asset side, which means loss, accumulated loss. Because of this transaction, partners capital account will be decreased, and because of this, partners capital will be increased. So now this accumulated loss should be transferred to partners capital account. So because of this transaction, partners capital account should be debited. So partners capital account should be debited. Got it? So, exercise number 2. So Rosie's capital account debit. Rosie's capital account debit and Radhi's capital account debit. Rani's capital account debit. To profit and loss account. So accumulated loss transfer to all partners capital account. How much? So accumulated loss is 45,000. That 45,000 should be divided into equally. So they contribute, the ratio is, old ratios give equally. They contributed equally only, no? So the 45,000 should be divided into 3 portions. So it's come 15,000 each partners. So we have to contribute 15,000. And 15,000 for Radhi and 15,000 for Rani's. So how much? 45,000. So the loss should be distributed among all the 3 partners equally. So 15,000 Rosie's capital account debited 15, and Radhi's capital account debited 15,000, and Rani's capital account debited 15,000. So loss. So accumulated loss transferred to all the partners capital account in the ratio of 1:1:1, that is equally.